Hello? Anybody? Any question? Anybody? Any question?
I don't think, as you said, would go back and read about database services, the various database services and their use cases.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, their use cases, not just reading about, but use cases. No, just as Benga said, to different application requires different database service requirements. Yeah, so I think we'd go back, read about it, then maybe um, drop on the group chat if you have any question, any further question or explanation.
Okay.
That
No.
and please, anybody that has any material that you've read, you can also drop it on the group chat for us to read through too. That will help us out. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much. And if your distance is available till next week, Saturday, I would have loved to also on Saturday, next Saturday. Ah, I won't be available on Saturday. I just realized I won't be available on Saturday. So we are going to have a class um over the week. Please let's plan to attend. Hopefully on Thursday also. So what we will do for that class, we will if I didn't join on if we don't do this on Thursday, can we do Friday? Guys, can you guys hear me?
Yes, we
Hello?
can. Yes, we can. Yes, we
Okay.
can.
So if I'm not able to do Thursday, we are going to do Friday. So what we'll do on Friday majorly, we'll talk about the SQL databases that you guys have created. I will not tell you guys how to run. I will try to get cheat code this thing, what do I call it? SQL cheat code. Is it SQL cheat sheet or what do you call it? Yeah. So you guys can look at this SQL cheat sheet. Okay, so you guys can now try running all these sample SQL queries on the database after you create the database. But please, please, please don't drop or delete. You guys hear me?
Yes, sir.
Please, when you are creating Benga, is you I will hold if people delete database. Don't drop or delete anything in the database. Anything you create, just leave it alone. I leave it like that. No need of doing anything. You can now come back and say, oh, you want to learn about different SQL queries, how to join, insert. I know those things can be complex, kind of. You understand? Because if you have not done it before, so running select queries. And please, when you work with organizations, please note, um, it's not all organizations that will give you access to update database. Many of them can give you access to select, that means to read or view, but rarely will they give you access to update database or to delete or to do anything or insert. You understand? But they can give you select query. So this one is just, you can use this one to learn and so on and so forth. So on Saturday, sorry, on Thursday or Friday, we are going to meet again. Is that fine? Yeah. Thank you very much, guys. Anybody to any
All
other
right, sir.
question?
Friday is Good Friday, so Thursday will be better.
Okay, Good Friday. I forgot. What you guys want us to do
Or we can
Friday?
do Wednesday.
What is it?
Can we do Wednesday? I don't know if it's convenient for anybody, everybody.
You guys, what you guys think about it? Do you guys want us to do Wednesday?
So I think Thursday is fine.
Yeah, Thursday is fine. Thursday is better.
Okay, no problem. So we'll definitely do Thursday or Friday. But on Friday, can we do in the morning?
You say Thursday or Friday? We are leaning towards Thursday, sir.
You are looking towards Thursday. Okay, because I
Yeah, you
know.
are leaning towards Thursday.
Okay, let's look at Thursday first.
All right.
That will be fine. Okay, thank you very much, guys. I
All right.
believe that
Thanks.
I will get the videos ready as soon as I can, but I want to firstly go and rest. Thank you.
All right. All right. Take care.
All right, thanks, sir.
And senior DevOps, we only